wanna play me DJ, I wanna rap it. Play my blood clot DJ, come and shut up selector boy.
What's good YouTube? Gang, it's your boy Bam Jambisco. Done and we're there back with another. See, today look like on this, you know, like on this video, it look like we are mad out today. You see me, look like we're going crazy. You see me, I say look like we don't have no sense, because you see we Father Dippo deal with it. You see me, you don't know what I do. There with Valiant, Father Dippo, and he dropped a new track like a day ago entitled Mad Out. You feel me? I want to check it out and see what I deal with it. Yo, I see a lot of talk, like a hype on social media about the song. You see me, I haven't seen the video or heard the song as yet. But people are talking about me, see still like who left off a mad bus and all these things. So yeah, my man, so Father Dippo I deal with today. You don't know Valiant, mad talented artist. What was the last song we reacted for Valiant? You can't choose. You see me when I choose that boy, I can't choose between a couple girls, and then before that was what? Designer? What was the last thing? But yeah man, today he dropped a song like a day ago entitled Mad Out. Once we Valiant I deal with. Yo, that Valiant, apparently Valiant just killed Sunfest and all that. So let me know if you want to see some more Sunfest reactions. You see me? Apparently he killed Sunfest and all that. So I need to check out his performance. I might be dropping the reactions. So let me know if y'all want that. You know what I'm saying? But yeah man, Valiant just dropped a new track the other day entitled Mad Out. I want to check it out and see what dog I do. Look like dog going crazy on this one. You feel me? So I check out the vibe and see what dog I deal with. Not to hold up the vibes much longer. Let's jump right in it. Yeah, right. Let's jump right in the track. This is Valiant, Mad Out. Let's get it.
Fucking idiot. Stupid fucking boy. Done fucking fool.
Go on.
Yes. My dear, my dad.
Bobo clean. Hold on. I want to catch me off. I have got dog. I want to go on like this. I'll pull the back for us. So let's get it.
Yes. My dear, my dad. Hey. Move out my way. Me, I'm mad for
cause boy, night.
Man.
Yeah.
Move out my way. Now me I'm mad some mad day.
Oh, I go and look like dog. I'm mad out now this for real, man. How the hell I go on this? Yo, Valiant.
Frank White, I'm mad, me I'm mad out. Mad. I'm mad, me I'm mad out. Girl I get fucked and I run out of the mad house. I'm mad, me I'm mad out. Hold my cup and I say be a girl at that short. A girl I been a back a hole I get stabbed out. All of my money get fucking on me account. I wish big man that get knocked out.
Girl I say, yo, take my money. I will I get stabbed out. They say, yo, she don't have money like that. I go on, dog. I'm mad about it, you know.
Hey. Move out my way. Me, I'm mad some mad day. Move. Hey. Move out my way. Me, I'm mad some mad day. I know your body big, so. Me say she come from Kingston. Girl wine, don't sing.
Me nah lie, dog. I have a vibe me this man. This way with the dancer see need money. Me know say night club this I go sound mad door. You see me, it might look crazy on the video, but in the club this gonna sound mad.
Jump up on her head top, she gone when she drink rum. Dance, back it up on my Burberry shots. I'm a foot enough, girl, I'm break every yard. Put money in her jaws if she shake up her ass. Girl just shake up her ass. I'm a bars now I'm out, what the fuck she talk. Hey. Move out my way. Me, I'm mad for my
day. Yo, but Valiant always come in some different style, dog. You see me? They are very creative. You see me? No artists would probably like they're not recording this type of tune, but this is just for the vibes and the energy. You see me? I know every song I feel too deep. You see me?
Move.
Hey. Boy.
Hey. Move out my way. Me, I'm mad for my day.
I see definitely see dancers going crazy at party with this.
See the body, yeah. Turn it on back cause I have money in my hand. Love it when you suck it and you sitting on my jan.
Yeah man, we can definitely see the dancers them going crazy on this one, bro. You feel me? This is more for like the dancing and the vibes part of the party, no joke.
She could have done me so well too. She full of video, she nasty, she terrible.
Cause boy.
My dog, she terrible. You want me show you, so she terrible.
know one dog have all blood bleed. With that name, that used to go crazy too, man. Man Pine House apart. And that name, man. Fat Skull. Yeah, man, a long time I see Fat Skull for the gram. I go on. Dog probably over TikTok too. But yeah, man. Tuna feel our vibes. Easy no, man. How you mean? It is important to be respectful for those who may be struggling with mental illness. We want to use this music video to raise awareness and start conversation about mental health. We hope that our video can provide some entertainment, but we also want to remind our viewers that mental illness is a serious issue that affects many people. If you are someone you know is struggling with mental health, please seek help from a medical professional or you know what I'm saying? That big man thing that, you see me? Say, man, want to know, say, yo, all the mad old people, them, we not make fun of, no? We not take nothing lightly. You see me? I say we take it serious, but we have some fun at the same time. You know what I'm saying? But we go Valiant. You see me? That's a very dope, you know what I'm saying? Creative track. You see me? That's just for the fun and the vibes. You know what I'm saying? We can definitely see the dancers, them. And the girl, them, I go crazy at party with this when I come at dancing time. This can play with like the dog arena and the, you know what I'm saying? What the other dance tune them, man. Yeah, man. This there, man. This definitely for the vibes part of the party. You see when this come on, people go on move round. You know what I'm saying? Yeah, man. Big up yourself, Valiant. This definitely is a club banger. You see me? If the DJ them play the music and play music right, because most of them DJ are going like some blowout. They don't know if you juggle them more, man. You know what I'm saying? They don't know if you set up a good playlist on them thing there. You know what I'm saying? But yeah, man. Big up yourself, Valiant. That's me real dope trap people. Let me know what y'all think about that one. That was a vibe. It's me, it has great energy. The video was dope. They have a lot of influencers on the social media influencers. Yeah, Cosboy, Fat Skull, some other people in there. You see me acting mad out and them thing there. You know what I'm saying? A dope trap, man. Big up yourself, man. I'm glad how these artists they collabing, they doing features, and they including like the I like how even the social media media influencers and the artists them are linked nowadays to make the video them more creative, more entertaining, and also it also pull views and pull watchers to the video. So I like how they do them thing. I like how they collabing in all aspect, and I like how Valiant staying creative, staying on his toes, staying fresh, staying new. You know what I'm saying? Yeah, man. Big up yourself, Valiant. Definitely see why people gravitate towards you, and why you know what I'm saying. The people love you because you always come with some fresh ideas. You see me, and keeping it creative and doing your thing. You know what I'm saying? So, yeah, man. Big up yourself. The real dope track, guys. Let me know what you think about that in the comment section. If you like it, definitely go drop the comments. See me, drop a fire emoji, Jamaican emoji. Let me know where you're watching from. You see me, you're definitely gonna get your shout out. And drop your comments, man. You're gonna get your shout out, all that stuff. And drop a request. If your request is chosen, you're definitely gonna see your name on the screen. I'm gonna give you a shout out, all that stuff. You see me, I'm gonna keep it pushing, keep it moving, man. You don't know, guys. Till next time, you don't know, it's the boy Jambisco here now, hitting and smashing out. Banger. Till next time, take care of yourself and each other. Love you guys. And I'm out.